She's a fighter. Oh no. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Attorney Session here once again, about to react to a video entitled Caught on Cam, Traffic Stop Gone Wrong in Oklahoma. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, please subscribe, and we're about to get right into it.
Well, I did issue for defective equipment. It's $80. You have till September 16th to take care of this. Get you to sign there with the Exodus.
So you don't even give a warning for this?
You've been driving around for 6 months like that.
No, you don't get a warning.
A warning for some you've been driving for 6 months.
But you've seen me in here.
It starts rather pleasant.
You had to have been up here.
Nope. Either way, I've issued you a citation. Sign there, please.
Well, I don't want to sign it because I don't want to do $80.
You don't want to sign it?
No, because I don't think that I deserve to pay $80 for something that is fixable and I can fix it.
All right.
That's all you
Go
want
ahead,
to do.
step out of the car. Because you're under arrest. Step out.
So, this lady has been pulled over for whatever reason, I don't know, and the cop has issued her a citation, which is a ticket for whatever she was pulled over for, and he asked her to sign it, and she refuses to sign. So here we have two questions. One, do you have to sign a traffic citation when a cop gives you a written ticket? And two, can you be placed under arrest for choosing not to do so? To both, I would say yes. First, not all states require that the violator signs the ticket. For those that do, the signature is merely an acknowledgement that you've been cited for something and that you will appear in court on the specified date on the ticket, not an admission of guilt. If you are in a state that does require you to sign the ticket and you refuse to do so, the cop may place you under arrest. You may be booked. You may have to post bail and all that good stuff. You're going to have to see a judge. So just be prepared to do that. So it is very helpful to know what the laws are in the state you are in regarding this situation.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Step out. I'm giving you a lawful order. Step out.
Okay, so the cop has just stated to the lady that I am giving you a lawful order, step out of the vehicle. He told her he was placing her under arrest, and then he said, I'm giving you a lawful order, step out of your vehicle. And of course, the lady is refusing the lawful order. So let's talk about lawful orders. We all have heard the term thrown around, lawful order. Some cop somewhere is always talking about, I'm giving you a lawful order. Do whatever the heck I'm telling you to do right now. And if you don't, there's going to be some consequences and some repercussions, homie. So here's the deal. Generally speaking, a lawful order means any directive or instruction given by an authoritative source, i.e. police officer, or given to ensure compliance with federal, state, or local law, which may be conveyed verbally or in writing. In this case, it's definitely being conveyed verbally. When I last checked, there were about 44 states, the District of Columbia, and the federal government that made it a crime for individuals to disobey a lawful order. But there's always some uncertainty about what a lawful order actually is. Sometimes people don't know when they're being lawfully ordered to do something, and that's understandable. Case law has definitely not helped with the lawful order issue. However, in the Supreme Court case, Pennsylvania v. Mims, the U.S. Supreme Court held that the Fourth Amendment permits police to order people out of their cars to ensure the cops' safety. Now, you have to pay attention about what's going on in your state. I'm licensed in New Mexico. How do some states view their citizens' obedience to lawful orders? Majority states, law requires obedience to officers with traffic control powers. In about 4 states, law requires officers to be in uniform or otherwise identify themselves as police officers in order for their words and their orders to be binding. In some other states, law requires people to obey police without reference to specific aspects of police authority. And in a few other states, law requires obedience to orders given within specific contexts, such as emergency situations. In this case, we're in the good old state of Oklahoma. What does Oklahoma say about lawful orders? Here it is. 2022 Oklahoma Statutes, Title 63, Public Health and Safety Code, Failure to comply with lawful order or directive of law enforcement officer. No person shall willfully fail or refuse to comply with any lawful order or directive of any law enforcement officer while in the performance of his or her duty of enforcing the provisions of Title 63 or Title 21 of the Oklahoma statutes. Failure to comply will constitute a misdemeanor punishable by a fine not to exceed $250. So this lady is already in the hole. $250. Bangow. Let's see what else is going to happen.
You be fair with me, and I'll be fair with you. No,
You're under arrest.
no, I'm not.
She pulled off. She actually drove off. At this point, she is evading arrest. I think there's a universal knowledge of what this means. It means something really bad. You don't want to do that. You do not want to disobey a cop's order and then run away or get in your car and drive off. That's evading arrest. Okay, so let's not do that.
305 dispatch. Got one taken off. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
He just gave her 3 more lawful orders that she disobeyed.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
So I have seen this video before, so I'm going to give you a disclaimer. Something's about to happen, and I may chuckle or laugh a little bit, only because I know she's going to come out safe on the other side, okay? Okay.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Now!
No. She's a fighter. Oh no.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Lay down and put your hands behind your back! Now! No, you will not! You're gonna get it again! Don't move!
How is she going to move?
Because I knew that you would arrest me.
I
And
wasn't going to. All you had to do was sign a ticket.
But can you just listen to me a minute? You don't want to come to Cashin for any reason whatsoever because they know it's going to be an $80 fine for some dumb something all the time.
Well, when you're driving around like that, where do you think you can go driving around and get away with like that?
Guthrie, Kingfisher, because I'm going to a Kingfisher right now to go to Royal.
I mean, listen.
Thank you for tuning into this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to the Attorney Session YouTube page, the Attorney Session Facebook and Instagram pages, the Attorney Session Twitter pages, and I'll make sure to show you some love. Thank you for tuning in. Please check out the rest of my videos. Have a good day.